Get ready for an exciting journey as we dive into NASA's latest endeavor. A crew of 4 brave volunteers has embarked on a 378-day simulated Mars mission, living and working inside NASA's CHAPEA habitat. But here's where it gets controversial. They're not just simulating a Mars mission, they're living it. Meet Ross Elder, Ellen Ellis, Matthew Montgomery, and James Spicer, the crew members who stepped into the roughly 1,700 square foot 3D printed habitat at Johnson Space Center, Houston, on October 19. They'll be there until October 31, 2026, facing the same challenges as a real Mars mission crew. The CHAPEA missions provide invaluable insights for mission planning and design, explains Sarah Whiting, Human Research Program project scientist. By understanding the challenges and risks, we can ensure the safety and success of future crewed missions to Mars and beyond. During their year-long mission, the crew will conduct various activities, from high-tempo simulated Marswalks to robotic operations and habitat maintenance. They'll even grow crops. But it's not all smooth sailing. They'll also experience environmental stressors like limited resources, isolation, communication delays, and equipment failures. These crew members are helping us gather critical data, says Grace Douglas, CHAPEA principal investigator. Their experiences will guide our protocols and plans for future Mars missions. And this is the part most people miss. The CHAPEA missions are not just about the destination, they're about the journey. It's about understanding how humans adapt and respond to the extreme conditions of space travel. The first CHAPEA mission, which took place in the same habitat, concluded on July 6, 2024. Now, with this second mission, NASA's Human Research Program continues its quest to innovate and ensure the safety of astronauts as we venture beyond low Earth orbit. So what do you think? Are these simulated missions a necessary step towards Mars exploration, or are there other, more efficient ways to prepare for such a journey? Let's discuss in the comments.